All right, well, this is John and Parita, and we're gonna bring the unveiling here of some lechon, but also here in the kitchen we've got some cooking going on for the macaroni soup with beef in it, or maybe possibly pork this time, but we're gonna see the unveiling right now. We've got Parita and we've got Rachel helping. Here we go. Here it is. All right, so let me work my way over to the head. There we go. Here's the head. So this is the whole thing that's already been roasted. And the pictures that I'm going to share on Facebook only was them chopping it up. But there we go. Thank you, my beautiful wife, Parita, and her beautiful niece, Rachel. All right. Thank you all. Keep praying for us.